Here's a 1,000-word natural flow script for your Thailand audience on the topic Hawaii Jahaz airplane for your channel. Car Culture Club. Welcome back to my channel. Car Culture Club. I am really happy to see you all once again, and today we are going to explore something that flies above our heads every single day, something that has changed the way humans travel across the world. Yes, today we are talking about Hawaii Jahaz, which in English is called an airplane. Airplanes are one of the most fascinating inventions in human history, and in this video, I will take you on a journey through their story, their working, their importance, and also how they connect with Thailand, a country that relies heavily on air travel for tourism, trade, and international connections. When we look at the sky and see an airplane flying thousands of feet above the ground, we often feel amazed. How can something so big and heavy actually stay in the air? This question has fascinated people for centuries. Before airplanes existed, people dreamed about flying like birds. Many ancient civilizations had legends and stories about humans with wings, but it was not until the 20th century that human beings truly managed to build a machine that could carry us into the skies. The real breakthrough came in 1903 when the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, flew the first controlled airplane in North Carolina, United States. That flight lasted only 12 seconds, but it changed the entire future of the world. From that moment, humans knew that flying was not just a dream anymore. Step by step, airplanes improved, becoming faster, bigger, and more reliable. Today, we have airplanes that can cross continents in just a few hours, connecting people from every corner of the world. Now, let us understand how a Hawaii Jahaz actually works. The basic principle is aerodynamics. An airplane is designed in such a way that its wings create lift when air flows around them. The engines push the plane forward at high speed, and as the plane moves, air pressure above the wings becomes lower than the pressure below the wings. This difference in pressure lifts the airplane into the sky. Once it is in the air, pilots control it with flaps, rudders, and engines, guiding it safely to its destination. It sounds complex, but it is actually a beautiful example of how science and engineering come together to make something almost magical. In today's modern world, airplanes are not just a luxury, they are a necessity. Think about Thailand for example. Every year, millions of tourists from all over the world travel to Thailand to see its beaches, temples, food, and culture. Without airplanes, this kind of global tourism would never be possible. A person from Europe or America can board a plane and within hours be walking on the streets of Bangkok or relaxing in Phuket. Similarly, Thai people can travel abroad for education, business, or family reasons thanks to airplanes. Apart from tourism, airplanes are also vital for trade. Goods and products that need to be delivered quickly are transported by air cargo. Fresh fruits, flowers, electronic items, and even emergency medicines reach different parts of the world within hours through airplanes. For Thailand, which exports a lot of agricultural products and electronic goods, air cargo plays a huge role in supporting the economy. Now, let us talk about the experience of flying in a Hawaii Jahaz. For many people, the first time they sit inside an airplane is unforgettable. You walk into the airport, check in your luggage, pass through security, and finally board the plane. When you sit by the window and the plane begins to move, there is a feeling of excitement and nervousness. As the engines roar and the airplane speeds down the runway, suddenly you feel your body being pushed back into the seat, and before you know it, the ground disappears below you. The view from the window is breathtaking. Tiny houses, rivers, mountains, and clouds pass by. It almost feels like you are entering another world. Flying is also a symbol of connection. Imagine families separated by thousands of kilometers. Thanks to airplanes, they can visit each other quickly. Students from Thailand who want to study in the United States, Japan, or Europe can travel easily. Businessmen can attend international meetings within days. Soldiers, aid workers, and medical teams can reach disaster-hit areas quickly through airplanes. Truly, Hawaii Jahaz has made the world smaller and more connected. Another important aspect is safety. Many people think airplanes are dangerous because they fly so high, but actually, airplanes are one of the safest modes of transport. Pilots go through years of training, airplanes are checked carefully before every flight, and air traffic controllers monitor the skies to ensure planes do not collide. Statistically, flying is much safer than driving a car or riding a motorcycle. This is why millions of people trust airplanes every single day. Now, when we think about Thailand, we cannot ignore its world-class airports like Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok. It is one of the busiest airports in Asia and connects Thailand to almost every country in the world. From budget airlines to luxury international flights, Thailand has a strong aviation industry that supports its people and its visitors. Local airlines like Thai Airways, Bangkok Airways, and Nok Air play an important role in domestic and international travel. Airplanes also inspire dreams. Many young people in Thailand and across the world dream of becoming pilots, flight attendants, or aircraft engineers. The aviation industry offers careers that are exciting and full of opportunities. For children, seeing a huge airplane at the airport often creates a spark of imagination. They dream of flying, exploring the world, and achieving something big. But we should also remember that airplanes come with challenges. They consume fuel and contribute to pollution. That is why scientists and engineers are now working on new designs, including electric airplanes and more fuel-efficient engines. The future of aviation is going to be even more exciting, with faster planes, safer technology, and maybe even commercial space travel one day. Imagine a future where you can travel from Bangkok to New York in just 2 hours. It may sound like science fiction, but companies are already working on supersonic and hypersonic planes. Hawaii Jahaz has truly changed our way of life. From short domestic flights within Thailand to long international journeys across continents, they make our world more connected. They bring people closer, create opportunities, and help economies grow. The next time you look up at the sky and see a plane flying above, remember the history, the science, and the human effort behind that amazing invention. So, my friends, this was our journey into the world of Hawaii Jahaz. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you have ever flown in an airplane, share your experience in the comments. Was it exciting, scary, or magical? I would love to hear your stories. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, Car Culture Club. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel we always bring you interesting topics, not only about cars but also about machines, technology, and travel that connect with Thailand and the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep exploring.